This is your economics video for principle number 2. Principle number 2 is the cost of something is what you give up to get it. Every time you make a decision, your brain goes through what's called a cost-benefit analysis. It basically weighs all the costs of that decision with all the benefits of that decision. And your brain is going to make the decision that maximizes your benefits at the time with the information that you have. Your brain always wants to have more benefits than there is costs. So a cost-benefit analysis is just the process that you go through in order to make a decision. In economics, the cost of something is not just the price you pay for it, but also what's referred to as opportunity cost. Opportunity cost also includes things like the cost of the decision you had to give up. We talked about trade-offs in the last video. So if you opt for, let's say, good A, that means you can't use your money to buy good B. Good B would be your opportunity cost. Not only do you have to pay for good A, but you now can't buy and get the benefits of good B. Sometimes opportunity cost is referred to as the second best option, the thing you have to give up in order to get something. So what is the opportunity cost of having a part-time job? Feel free to add some notes to your guided notes. If you're a full-time student and you also have a part-time job, you have the opportunity cost of the time. So for example, the time you spend working is time that you don't have to study or hang out with your friends or do something fun with your family. The time and energy is also a cost to you, not just any money that you spend, or in this case, earn from a part-time job. Now you're going to do active learning number 2 on your active learning paper. For this one, I want you to use the internet on your computer to find out the following averages. I want you to find average prices for an in-state college and a private college for 4 years. This average cost of college tuition changes from time to time, and you can certainly use a Google search, but just some of the costs that go into a typical 4-year degree program. Tuition, of course, you're again finding 4 years worth of tuition. Room and board, which is your food and your dorm. Any books and fees, transportation costs, which would be, whether you need a bike or a car, or if you're going out of state, you'd have to estimate how many trips you would need to come home and what that would cost you. And then, of course, we don't want to forget entertainment money and fun money that you might need to have fun. I want you to try to figure out how much it would cost you for 4 years on average at an in-state school and also for a private school.